it's Debbie Meyer and Jeff Meyer with the Landmark Group of Compass Real Estate and Flagler Beach TV. Most of you local residents by now should have received your printed version of the Island Times, and we really hope you're enjoying it. We've had such great feedback about it that we wanted to let you know that we've now created an interactive digital version. And you can view it online, and you can also share it with your family and friends up north who don't live here. The first edition of our online edition is going to be the Christmas edition of Island Times. Got a lot of information in there. We've included all the local holiday events, including the First Friday, the kickoff of Starry Nights, the holiday parade, which actually starts right here in front of our office, all the festivities going on around Christmas time, and there's 10 really delicious dessert recipes. So that'll be fun for you and the whole family to check that out. And what else do we have?
The digital version, what's really neat about it, you can click on any of the ads, any of the links, any of the articles. It'll take you directly to like Flagler Footprints. It'll take you to their blog. You can click on any of the restaurants. It'll take you to their website. Any articles you see. So it'll be really cool. If there's something you see there that we don't have, we'd love your feedback. Just give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and we'll try to include that. But it is going to evolve, and we've made it especially for all the residents here in Flagler County, so I'm hoping you enjoy it. In the back of the book, the back 2 pages, we've also got all the essential phone numbers, such as DMV, Advent Healthcare, Waste Management, and many more. We also have every business there. We have their phone number, so you can contact them. If you have any questions at all or something you want to add to it, please give us a call. I think you guys will enjoy it. Again, everybody have a good Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.